Hi there! Are you running out of Zendesk storage? The GDPR Compliance app makes clearing out unnecessary attachments simple and affordable. Today we'll show you how to use our Attachment Redaction add-on to free up space and keep your data organized. To start, set up your attachment preferences. Go to Settings, Process Preferences, and select Redact Attachments. Click on the default preset or create a new one. First, choose whether to delete all attachments or skip inline ones like embedded images. Then you can decide which specific file types to include or exclude from redacting. For example, you can create a preset to include only media files that take up a lot of space, or set a condition to skip CSV files if they contain important information. Click Save when you're done. So, to delete attachments from a specific ticket or all tickets from a requester, open the relevant ticket, go to the Apps section on the right, and find the GDPR Compliance app. For all tickets from this requester, select Process the User. If it's just one ticket, click Process the Ticket. Name your process, select Redact Ticket Attachments, and click Next. Now, pick a preset, review it, and move on to the last step. Finally, click Start Process and confirm. Afterward, you can see the details on the process ticket and the redacted size. Also, check out the ticket for the results. If you need to delete attachments in bulk, start by creating a user or ticket list. Go to Settings, List Management, User or Ticket List, and click Add a new list. For example, you might create a list of users who have been inactive for over a year. After your list is ready, go to List Views, choose Users or Tickets, find your list, and select Process GDPR Request. Then, continue with the same steps as before and start the process. While your storage space is freeing up, let's talk about how to get the add-on in your app. Go to Settings, Available Add-ons. Here, you'll see your limits for the Redact Attachments add-on. If you're running low, you can purchase extra gigabytes anytime or request custom storage limits if needed. And that's it! A quick and easy way to keep your Zendesk storage lean and your data compliant with our redaction add-on. Visit our website, GrowthDot.com, to learn more.